Welcome in KK Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to see all the column details in particular database. When I say how to see all the column details means I'm talking about in any database. If you have a various table, I would like to see all the columns available in all the database tables, right? So to do that, what you have to do, you have to right click on the schema or database, right? And you will get the fourth option, schema inspector. So click on that, and here you can see this is our schema name or database name, and on the top you can see the info section. You can see the what's the default collection, default character set, etc., right? Table count and all. And lastly, it has given database size, and that is somewhere roughly estimated size, you can see over here. Now if you go to the table section, right, so these are the tables available, and in columns tab you can see all the columns with all the details, right? So this is the first column, represent the database table name, then column name, then what's the data type, right? Then that column is basically nullable or not, right? And then you have a character set, collation, etc., right? So these are the details you can see in the column. So here you can see all the columns details, right? Belongs to all the tables, right? So here you can see, so even this detail will not show you only columns of database but columns of views as well. So this is the view. So whatever suffix you see over here as a view underscore view, so these are the views. So view columns also you can see, right? Now next, if you have some indexes, right, then index detail you can see over here, right? So this is the table or views, basically table, and then what kind of basically index you have, whether you have a primary key or some kind of other index, then all those detail you can see there, whether this index has a unique constraint applied or not, what kind of index type is there, right? And in what column you have applied indexes and all details, right? Whether null is allowed and all not. These are the details you can see over here, right? Again, if you have some triggers, then triggers detail you can see over here. If you have views, then views detail you can see, right? If you have a stored procedures, then stored procedures you can see over here, right? Then similarly you have a functions, grants, means what are the users have been granted to see or access this database. So these are the details. And finally you have an event tab. So here basically you can see all the consolidated, all the columns belongs to all the database table over here, right, in the columns tab. So that's all I wanted to say in this video tutorial, guys. Big thank you, and see you there in the next video tutorial.